McDonald's, the fast food giant that outpaced Wendy's. Once upon a time, two fast food giants, McDonald's and Wendy's, were locked in a fierce rivalry. Both had their unique styles, but one gradually rose to greater heights. This story explores how McDonald's managed to outpace Wendy's. McDonald's, starting in 1940, developed a reputation for consistent, quick, and affordable food. Their branding was strong, with the famous golden arches becoming a symbol recognized worldwide. In comparison, Wendy's, founded in 1969, provided higher quality, fresh burgers, and an innovative salad bar. McDonald's first advantage was its head start. By the time Wendy's entered the market, McDonald's had established 1,000 outlets. Their familiar brand invited trust and loyalty, which became a competitive advantage. Expansive growth was another key strategy for McDonald's. They ventured into global markets before Wendy's, establishing a strong international presence. McDonald's became a symbol of America, a status not quite achieved by Wendy's. McDonald's also focused on maintaining a consistent product line. Their Big Macs, fries, and shakes became staple items, creating a sense of familiarity for customers. Wendy's, on the other hand, frequently changed its menu, which often confused consumers. The Happy Meal was another strategic decision by McDonald's. Introduced in 1979, it attracted families with children, a demographic that Wendy's couldn't quite capture. The Happy Meal, with its toy inclusion, became a hit, boosting McDonald's sales significantly. McDonald's also tapped into the breakfast market before Wendy's. They created an iconic breakfast menu, including the well-loved Egg McMuffin. Wendy's tried to follow suit but couldn't establish a strong foothold in this market. McDonald's refined drive-thru service was another winning point. They made ordering and receiving food incredibly easy and fast, a feature that customers greatly appreciated. Wendy's drive-thru service, while present, was not as efficient. Another significant factor was McDonald's investment in marketing. Their ads were catchy, memorable, and appealed to a broad demographic. Wendy's, despite their Where's the Beef campaign, couldn't match McDonald's marketing prowess. McDonald's continuous innovation also stood out. They introduced healthier options responding to changing consumer preferences. Wendy's was slower to adapt, leading to lost business opportunities. McDonald's also capitalized on strategic partnerships. Collaborations with Disney and Coca-Cola generated increased foot traffic and appeal. Wendy's did not leverage partnerships as successfully. Also, McDonald's excelled in the real estate business. They focused on acquiring prime locations, which boosted visibility and accessibility. Wendy's didn't prioritize location as strongly, which worked against them. Customer service was another area where McDonald's excelled. They prioritized creating a pleasant dining experience, leading to strong customer retention. Wendy's, while trying, could not match McDonald's efficiency and friendliness in service. McDonald's also kept prices low, offering affordable options which appealed to a wide customer base. Wendy's, with its focus on higher quality, had slightly higher prices, which didn't suit budget-conscious customers. Lastly, McDonald's had stronger leadership. Their management made bold, smart decisions that drove growth. Wendy's, while having visionary leaders, faced challenges in implementation, which slowed their progress. Wendy's, despite being a strong brand, stumbled in the face of these challenges. Their slower growth, inconsistent menu, and lack of innovation were significant factors that allowed McDonald's to surge ahead. McDonald's, with its strategic growth, strong branding, and customer focus, rose to the top. It proved that successful businesses need to stay ahead of the curve, understand their customers, and adapt rapidly to changing preferences. In the fast food industry, McDonald's triumph over Wendy's was no accident but the result of strategic decisions, effective marketing, and relentless innovation. The tale of these two giants is a lesson in business strategy and competition. So, as we take a bite of our Big Mac, let's remember the impressive journey of McDonald's, a brand that started from humble beginnings and rose to become a global fast food giant, outpacing rivals like Wendy's.